Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this get ready amazed because C changes everything. You seriously need to see this. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does. BC, it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need C in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this get ready amazed because C changes